Hey, welcome to this episode of Moonbats. We're moving a motorcycle. One of these bikes. Which one? Someone bought one. Someone you know. We did a video with him. You'll have to keep watching to find out who. Alright, so before I tell you which bike got sold and who bought it, I want you to look outside because this is what we're doing right now. This is perfect weather to move a motorcycle in, right? So here we go. Let's go move a motorcycle. Simon's here. He's going to help move, but he's wrestling a bike in the back garage right now. All right, so what are we doing? All right, oh, wait, before anything, I'm still not going to tell you which bike got sold. Let's look at the Shovelhead right here. And I'll give you an update of where I'm at with it, because it looks more done than it did the last video that I haven't made yet. But it's done, but I just haven't made. Anyways, let's look at the Shovelhead. So here's the Shovelhead. All right, I finished. Last time we were messing with all this, I finished this. It all fits. Here is this clutch body, whatever. It goes on, it spins, nothing rubs, it's gonna make noise, nothing rubs yet. So once we bolt it on, I'll be able to do everything the way it should be done. But I had to put some spacers in here, I had to cut this little thing to make the mousetrap eliminator work, and then we gotta put in a clutch arm down in here. There's things going on, this thing's coming together. But I just wanna show you how much this thing has to be modified to really make it work. It all gets hacked. These slots, these holes, I've got it all in here. Everything is together. So this is the primary. There's another cover that goes on. It's right there. That goes on the top, and everything's nice and encapsulated in there. All right, so next thing I did is, what did I do? I don't know what I did. Anyways, I got this fender just literally sitting in here. There's a bolt underneath there and a wrench wedged in there to kind of give me an idea of where it's going to sit. Wheels all the way forward, and then we'll play with it, tweak it a little bit. But there it is. That's the fender. We got the Avon safety mileage tire on the back. That's what tire he's going to run. And we got a new kicker arm for it. There's not one on there now. I am going to have to modify this guy. So this is the original clutch arm. It goes under here, but there's stuff in the way. So I'm going to cut it off, make it work. Cut it off, do another little slot and all that stuff. Make it fit in here so it plays nicely in this area. That's it for this. We got the bars and hand controls put on. Everything's kind of up and sort of ready to roll-ish, get ready to be messed with. I need to space the rear wheel out. I'll do that by putting a straight edge on the trans, lining up the pulley or the cogs, the gears, and then do all the spacing the right way. And I think that's everything for this Shovelhead. So the next video you see, I'll be messing with the sissy bar. I'm doing that this week and getting that rear fender situated and sorted out, so that way I can mess with the rear wheel spacing and everything all at the same time. Then we can start on the tank, seat, and front end, headlight, and wiring and plumbing and. So the reason you're watching this video, we sold a bike. Someone sold a bike. I didn't sell a bike. I don't sell bikes. I keep my bikes until they explode. But who sold a bike? Which bike is it? First, I'm going to tell you who bought the bike. So you can click the link. I don't know where it is. It's one of these spots. Andrew bought a bike. Andrew was here. We were working on his top end of his GS, trying to get that thing to run. It sort of ran. He rode it last season a little bit, but it didn't really work out for him. But he's selling it. You want to buy a ran when parked, needs a tune-up GS, he's got you covered. He bought the Sportster, not the Wide Glide, the Sportster. So let me bring you in, and I'll show you this bike and tell you a little bit about it. All right, stock 2004, 5, 6. I don't know the exact year, but it's the range 456 Sportster. That bike, it's a 1200, is exactly the same bike as this bike. So these bikes are very different, right? But that just shows you like how much you can do with these Sportster platforms. They're like, really, you can do kind of whatever you want. Same bike, different bike, same. So Corey bought this bike before he got this Wide Glide, rode it around until he got the Wide Glide, running, and now he's selling this bike. So here it is. Pretty low mileage, I think it's got like 30,000 kilometers on it. Needs a battery. Got these like Screaming Eagle 2 pipes, side saddlebags, just stuff. 21-inch front wheel. It's a nice bike, clean. Andrew's gonna enjoy this. Moving up a little bit from his GS. Yeah. So I don't know how this is gonna work out. We got Andrew's just picked up the van. Jay is gonna be with him. And then Simon's here. Corey's coming, I think. And then it's still really freaking snowing outside. So, I think what we might do is, let's see here. Last time we moved a bike in a blizzard, we backed it up and the van fit perfectly between that pole and that tree. And we backed it up almost to the door, put a ramp between the door and the truck or the van, and just kind of did that. So maybe that's what we'll do, or we'll push it out into the snow and slip and slide and fall everywhere. So, I don't know. You gotta stay tuned, and we're gonna move a motorcycle in a snowstorm. It's the only way. I figured out I can tell you while I'm waiting. So, I'm gonna tell you what I had to do to this clutch hub body thing while the final end thing was. So last time you were here, this had a ring on it, and I showed you, I think at the end of the clip, how to get the ring off. I had to hit it with an air hammer, and then what ended up happening is that this lip here was too big for all of this, despite all of this, despite what was going on. So I put it in my lathe right here, and then sketchily-ish turned it down and just turned this lip down so it was even with these rivets right here that hold the magnets on, or metal bars. I can't remember what that part is. Anyways, it's all there. No, it's just metal bars, they're not magnets. So they're guides for the clutch things. Yeah, that's it. So I turned that down on the lathe, and you can see where I had to drill out all of the rivets here. That was quite a bit of work, but this will be cool when it's done. All right, everybody's here. There's Andrew, Simon, Corey, Jay. Everybody's here. I'm gonna go show you outside what we're looking at. We gotta shovel everything. I'm gonna turn this all over to Simon. Whoa, what's up? But we gotta shovel all this out, and then we're gonna put it in the back of that van. So I'm gonna give Simon the camera. He's gonna figure this all out, and hopefully we don't drop things. Just fucking film shoveling, because we have to shovel.
Helping, right? Ah! We're not hurling, okay?
What are you doing?
Whoa, whoa, yeah.
You're gonna hit me in the head. Look out. Perfect. Let's make it nice and slippery.
Hey, I know a joke. How many punks does it take to shovel an alley?
It's like we're hurling. You gotta like,
I'm actually trying to clear a path because I don't know if you guys have ever moved a bike in the snow before.
What are you doing?
Alright, that's good.
good job, guys.
I'm so glad you guys helped. Alright, let's go. What do you think?
Look, everything looks cooler when you're smoking.
Yeah, exactly. This is your first time on your motorcycle.
Why didn't you sit on it?
Sit on it!
Sit on it, Andrew.
Slip! Oh! Look at your new bike!
Now make noise with your mouth.
Not deeper. This is a Harley. Man.
It's not a
That was your
880.
GS noise.
So we're getting ready to move this bike right there through the door, into the snow, into the U-Haul. It's gonna be great. Excited.
There will be breakage.
That's it.
Start braking, slow.
Slow.
Alright,
Yeah, just
on
ease
the,
it down.
on the street.
Just not front brake because it'll slip right out. That's it. A little further forward. That's it right there.
Here we go.
Now the beauty of the snow, you literally just
Yeah.
That's it. No, leave it there like that. We'll back the van and get it lined up,
That's it.
and then we'll push it in.
Give her! Keep going! Turn it!
This is one of our better ideas,
This is great.
I think.
Back it up! Turn it! Turn it hard! Turn it hard! No, he really does need to turn it hard. What are you saying no for? Now go forward.
The other way.
Go forward. Stop. Go forward.
Okay,
Yeah.
Hold on, wait. Let's
It's
tell
all
them what
right.
you want to do.
There you go. Perfect. There, that's good. Stop. Now back it up.
Stop right there. No, just straight back. Straight back. Oh, we gotta pull.
All right, here we are. We maneuvering. We got it here. We're gonna get it in, and then we're good. Slide it. Just literally, it doesn't take much. Just put it on the kickstand. Yeah, leave it on the kickstand. It's all good. Oh my God. Come on.
You shoveled too much. If only we didn't shovel.
Yeah.
What?
I was hoping for a nice slide.
Yeah, slid.
Nah, I did slide.
What are you talking about?
You had to live. I
picked
saw
it up.
you.
Huh?
You lifted it. Look on the ground. There isn't even a slide bar.
Yeah.
Bullshit.
Oh,
Look
there
right
is.
here.
Okay, okay.
There's literally a
What are you
track.
talking about? That was my foot. I saw the vein come
All right.
out of your foot.
There's a track. There's a track right there.
Ready? 1, 2. Make sure that the
Oh shit.
Oh, it fell off?
Slide came up.
Alright, get the front wheel on it. There you go, that's it. Now we can help because
Oh, shit.
we need traction.
Alright, here.
Because there's nothing.
That's it.
I'm on the front brake. You want to do
Okay? That's good.
The back wheel's still on?
Yeah. Yeah, that's good for now.
Didn't fall off yet.
Alright. Oh shit.
All right.
Here we go.
Keep going forward, all the way to the wall. Perfect. Stand
Woo!
down. Woo!
Success. You excited, Andrew?
So excited. I'm gonna take us for a ride tomorrow.
Down's gonna be slippery.
Do it again. Do it again. Take 4. 1, 2, 3. Slam it. There we go.
Success.
Eventually they'll leave. But for now,
Yeah,
that's gonna be the cover photo for the
It'd
video.
be a good shot of them driving away with the dick. It drifted.
Got it! There you go! Alright, so we tried to get down the alley and we couldn't. There's 4 of us. We needed all 4 of us because it was slippery. Here we are. We got to push it down that. I think.
Here, hold on. Okay, heavier than I
Steady
thought.
it. Steady it. There.
Stand it up.
Now we should be able to push. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh shit.
I got it.
Okay. There, you got it, Jay?
Yep.
There's a back sliding up. Yeah, that's upright now. Hang on.
Okay.
Because it's
got it.
leaning now. Okay, go push.
Just push.
Yeah, I'm just
Wait, you're pulling.
Yeah, because now it's upright. It slides if you don't have it upright.
Yeah, but keep it.
Okay.
This is the age-old two people moving.
Yeah,
on
exactly. Go ahead. You do that, I'll push. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay.
Oh yeah, front wheels on. Something that won't slip.
Fucking hell.
Garage. Woo! Alright, Phil, there we go. Thanks for watching this episode of Moonbats. We moved a motorcycle. Bye.